It's okay.
What?
What? Tell me about the yogurt.
Yogurt is expensive.
It's about 16 dirham yogurt.
Yes.
And it's very...
It's not good.
Why?
Because
What is the title of the yogurt? The brand?
on can.
Oh, so why it's 16 dirham? Why you're arguing with 16 dirham?
Because whole grain peach.
Oh, what does it mean? Show me! Show me your yogurt. Why you don't like the taste? Why you don't like the taste? Why you don't like to taste it?
I don't know.
You don't like to finish it. Why?
Because it's not tasty.
It's not what?
Tasty.
The yogurt?
Yes.
Why? Tell me about the yogurt.
What I must tell you
The
about
yogurt.
that?
You said
Yellow
it's
yogurt.
expensive.
It's very
He said
expensive.
16 dirham, like a $5
Oh,
Yeah.
$5.
for a yogurt.
For a yogurt.
And he doesn't like
it's,
it.
It's too expensive for a yogurt.
Why?
Because Al Ain, I make a promotion for it. They should pay me, yeah. So,
You see, it costs 3 dirham.
yeah, this
3
one,
dirham.
3 dirham. Al Ain
16.
is better than this. The one?
Okay, and you want to taste now?
Yes.
Okay, and it tastes
5
good.
years old yogurt.
This is long time?
No,
This is expired?
Yesterday we bought it.
You're eating expired yogurt?
Yes, of course.
Look,
We
look.
like expired yogurt.
Yes, we are dirty. We are so dirty. We don't take a shower. We don't take a bath.
You didn't take a bath today?
No, I did not take a bath today because I am a dirty.
Is that your phone?
No, it's not my phone.
And who is that phone?
This phone is a house phone.
Akal?